Harley, and it's also cold as heck out here. But today I'm going skiing, and I figured I would take you guys along with me. It's too dirty. Up. Let me show you my skis. Alright, y'all, so I'm finishing up taking a little break and I'm gonna go back out there. It is actively snowing so bad out. My turtleneck was not doing the trick, so I have this little makeshift DIY shiesty going on, made out of someone's t-shirt, and I absolutely look like an astronaut. Okay guys, I just came in from skiing outside to take a little lunch break. Okay, I just grabbed some lunch. I got a grilled cheese and fries. I'm so excited to dig in. I am on the ski lift. It is so freaking cold out here. But I'm loving life. I'm loving every second of it. I've got my skis on. After a long day of skiing, we are going back to our house, and I'm so excited to check it out and see what kind of house it is. Check-in's at 4, and it is 4:54, so we are perfect timing.
There we go, boys!
Okay, so we finally arrived at the house. It was quite the treacherous journey to get here because we had a whole tow truck having to pull us out of the snow. It was a whole ordeal. But anyway, I am pooped from skiing, but I'm gonna take a shower and put this really cute outfit on and get ready to partay with my friends. My final fit is on. Just ordered some pizza.
Else can steal the words on your lips. No.
Good morning. Day 2. Ready to slay the slopes. Lego.
Day 2. This is the second part of the day. I just took a nap in the car real quick because after the first few runs this morning, I was feeling down and out. My toes were cold. But now I'm giving it another round. And then probably gonna get some lunch. Because I slept through the first lunch that everyone else went on.
Okay, y'all, I am back from the mountain and I just went grocery shopping and got some food, so now I'm gonna cook dinner. Okay, while the brownies are over there in the oven, I made some spicy hot cheese and then I put some chips in a bowl and I'm gonna bring it out to the hot tub.
Hey guys! I brought the party chips!
Okay, y'all, so I just finished making dinner. Dinner is over. Everybody ate that up real quick. After a day out on the slopes, I swear everybody's appetite like expands times 5,000. But anyway, I've got my bikini on. Thank God I self-tanned, because this could be a lot worse. But I put my freaking earmuffs on because it could be cold out there in the hot tub. But let's go! Guys, it's so freaking cold out here. Okay, y'all, I just got out of the hot tub and it was so fun, but because I have dry skin, I'm gonna hop in the bath because they have a giant bath here, and then get in the shower and rinse off all the chlorine, and then put on my super cute après-ski outfit and play some games. Night 2, this is my fit. I just threw on this comfy scarf and sweater and then put my hair in a bun with these faux leather pants. Nothing too crazy, just kind of cozy because we're staying in tonight, but I'm so excited to hang out with my friends and just relax. Here's my scan tray.
Focus on the greatness.
Doing your hair. Combing your hair.
Bad hair day, bad haircut. Grab another one, grab another one.
Top down. House. Texas.
Wow.
Rodeo.
Texas.
Uh,
West.
Circus.
Oh my god. They just found these big icicles on the side of the house. And we're passing around the icicle.
I am logging off and going to sleep. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna go in the house and get some hot cocoa. And I hope this video inspired you to get on the slopes, get on some skis, get on a snowboard. And with that being said, please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on my next video. I love y'all.